friends, this week we're talking about the letter P. P is for pink, which happens to be my favorite color, but that's how this page is. You can decide what you want to do. You can either circle or stamp or whatever you'd like to do. Find letter P's all over the page. The next page talks about highlighting the letter. You can find which letters are P's and you can highlight them. You can use your yellow marker or pink marker, whatever you choose. Then you can use your pencil to trace over letter P's to try and work on those. My page is stuck. Here is writing letter P. Down, come back to the top, go around. That's the uppercase P. The lowercase p is pretty much the same, but it's just a little bit longer tail. So down, come back, around. Practice as many as you can. You do not have to do it all in one sitting. You come back to it. And then the other page we have is also find the P's. Is this one a P? No. Is this one a P? No. Is this a P? No, but this one is. So you can circle it. You can color the whole box. You decide what you want to do. Have fun with it. Bye, friends.